Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. We got a couple holes in the solar pool hose. So, I got a couple repairs in there through the years. This time, it's up here. So, this new tape I have is amazing. It sticks to each other. It sticks to itself. But, here it is. So you get a good look at that. Comes in several colors. They ran out of yellow, but I know it's going to do an amazing job. It bonds to itself. So what happened is it's rubbing on the edge of the pool here, and it's leaving marks. And over time, all the vibrations, diving in the pool and all that, dump trucks going by, trains, what have you, it leaves marks. So I'm going to lift this up over the spot, so this will be protecting for the side of the pool where it's got sharp edges there. Then I can plug it back in. Then we'll be running free heat in the pool again. Alright, if you like all my videos, there's 74 of them now. This will be number 75. Click down below on the subscribe, and you'll see all my upcoming videos, whether it's solar, wind, or the solar pool heater. And click on the little bell and you'll see all of my new coming videos. See ya.